Hey everyone. Sorry about the different format in the beginning. It was like 4+ hours of intensive labor to get to that point, and I suspect it would have been a deadly boring video. Plus, I just don't have that kind of space on my phone. So I've had this idea in my head for a while. All those gradients that I've been doing has been creating like a little bit of depth that I really like, so I wanted to take it one step further. I definitely didn't realize how much work it was going to take to make it look half decent. So I googled, I think it was like drawing curved tall perspective or something like that, and found a guy on YouTube that drew something very similar. By the way, sketching it out on a Post-it is way easier than actually drawing it on a big canvas. I was surprisingly nervous putting on the spray paint. I didn't expect that, so I can't imagine what it's going to be like putting on the ribbon, because I'm already nervous about that. I'm not even at that stage yet. Right now I'm in the process of cleaning up the squares. I've put like another 4 hours into that. Needless to say, I'm going to put a coat of varnish on the thing, so if I mess up the ribbon, which is highly likely, I'll be able to wipe it off without too much trouble. I want to talk color theory for a minute. I put blue in the center because that's the color that's supposed to be the background color, and yellow is supposed to be the foreground color. All the secondary and tertiary colors change in distance depending on which color is dominant. Meaning I made the green more yellow the closer it is to the foreground. And I mean, the same would go for any other color. For example, if you wanted to use purple, you would make it more blue if you wanted to create distance, or red, which is a warm color headed towards yellow, if you wanted it to appear close. Anyways, that was the thought process behind that. I've decided that I'm not the hugest fan of the Desserts spray paint. Although it doesn't smell that bad, the nozzle isn't the best, and the coverage really isn't as good as the Amsterdam. I have to say though that this is the first time that I haven't been super impressed with the Star brand paint, so that was interesting that it happened with spray paint. So the next video I show will show the removal of all that masking fluid, which by the way was super satisfying, and hopefully I get an amazing ribbon on there. Like I said earlier, I'm just about done cleaning up the edges of the squares, and my aim is to get the ribbon on there tomorrow. I'm really nervous about it, so hopefully it goes well. And that's about it for this video. Tune in for the next one, because I think that is going to be a lot more interesting than this video. A lot more actual paint pouring, which I suspect is why most of you subscribe to my channel. So tune in for my next video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it. If you did, remember to hit like and make sure you subscribed. Have a great day. Bye.